Hi, my name is Cliff at A1 Performance at San Jose for European Repair. So I got today show you a little tip on the tire pressure check. So every car needs the tire pressures right, so you don't damage the tire first. Second, you save some gas and the car running right on the road. Here, that the first thing to check the tire pressure, you have to open the door. And then here the door, they have the sticker inside. The sticker here will tell you, the front tire and the rear tire sometimes the same but sometimes it's different. On this car it look like they have the front one at 36 psi and then the rear one at 32 psi, so that if you can check the tire pressure by when you try to inflate it, you have make sure you have the good tool or the right gauge. So I have the gauge in here with the pump, so I can test it for you to see. So put it in right here. I can see like I have 30. So 30, that means we have 2 psi lower than normal. So we can pump it up. And now you have 32. So that'll be done. So that's just a little thing like that to help you.